Hello friends, today we're reviewing one of the popular cryptocurrency exchanges, BingX. In this video, I'll show you how to register, how to easily and quickly top up your account, and we'll review all the key features of the exchange. If you want to start working on this platform, follow the link in the description. And to get exclusive bonuses, use the promo code you see on the screen. But that's not all. Be sure to subscribe to our Telegram channel. We have regular live streams with experienced traders, an active trading chat, a huge educational base, and the latest news from the crypto world. Write in the comments what you think, ask questions. We read everything. Now, let's dive in. BingX is a centralized cryptocurrency exchange and trading platform, founded in 2018. The platform offers various products and services, including spot trading, derivatives, copy trading, and asset management. According to CoinMarketCap's ranking, BingX is among the top 20 exchanges by spot trading volume in 2024. To create an account, first go to the official BingX exchange website via the link in the description and go directly to the registration section. Important note, if you followed the link but are registering in the app, you must enter the referral code during registration. You won't be able to enter it later. You can see the code on the screen. There are two registration options available, via email, via mobile phone number. Choose the method that suits you best, and then come up with a strong password. Enter the verification code from the email or SMS if you are registering via phone. Click the register button and you're done. The account is created. To access the full functionality of BingX Exchange, you must go through verification. To do this, click the person icon in the top right corner of the screen and click on the Identity Verification section. There are two verification options. They differ only in the daily withdrawal limit. It's higher with extended verification, and the maximum deposit amount. For regular users, basic verification is suitable, so let's go through it. A form will open where you need to select your country of residence and specify the type of document. Then enter your passport details and click Done. Wait for the verification results, which usually take 5 to 10 minutes. You can top up your balance in 3 ways: by transferring from other wallets and platforms, via P2P trading, and with fiat money. Hover your cursor over the Buy Cryptocurrency section. Quick purchase. This service allows you to buy USDT, BTC, or ETH for more than 70 different fiat currencies. Simply enter the amount and click the Buy button. Choose the payment method, click Buy again, and make the payment. You can top up your BingX account from another cryptocurrency wallet or exchange. Hover your cursor over the Assets section. Deposit. Enter the ticker of the required coin in the search bar, find the needed network, and generate the transfer address. Then copy it or scan the QR code and make the transaction. Make sure the chosen network matches the network of the platform you're withdrawing from. If you choose the wrong network, you could lose your funds forever. BingX P2P is a peer-to-peer marketplace that allows you to trade digital assets directly with other users, choosing the fiat currency, price, and payment method that suits you best. The platform essentially works as a cryptocurrency exchange, with the only difference being the presence of a guarantor, which in this case is the exchange itself. P2P transactions on BingX are available only to verified users. BingX is well suited for direct cryptocurrency purchases, but its most powerful offerings are related to trading. Advanced chart analysis tools, real-time market data, and customizable trading strategies give BingX users the tools they need for successful trading. Moreover, the platform offers a wide range of trading pairs and products, as well as competitive fees, making it popular among both beginners and experienced traders. Users can access over 750 cryptocurrencies and more than 840 markets and trading pairs. The spot trading feature allows you to convert cryptocurrencies and exchange tokens on multiple altcoins. BingX offers two types of futures: standard and perpetual. Standard futures are a special BingX product that is user-friendly, supports quick orders, and allows you to start trading with minimal funds. Perpetual futures are a traditional industry product. The BingX copy trading feature provides access to trades made by elite traders worldwide. As of 2024, BingX has more than 8 million copy trading connections. This feature is accessed through a simple dashboard for futures and spot trading. All traders are categorized into popular traders, conservative traders, and rising stars. User comments contain additional information. The BingX website has a Wealth tab. This is an asset management service that includes earning functions. The main products are SharkFin and SimpleEarn. SharkFin is a financial product from BingX that guarantees the preservation of the initial investment principal. This means that you won't lose your invested funds. The product allows you to earn interest by predicting whether the market of certain cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum, will rise or fall. User deposits in Shark Fin can also be used as margin for futures trading. Simple Earn is a service that allows you to place idle funds on deposit in exchange for a stable income. It offers fixed and flexible terms and does not charge a fee for subscription or use. Simple Earn offers more than 50 cryptocurrencies that you can earn interest on. The BingX Rewards Center is a platform created to encourage and reward users for their participation and trading activity. Users can earn various rewards by participating in daily challenges, completing trading tasks, and engaging in social media activities. The center offers different types of rewards in exchange for user participation. These include mystery boxes. They contain various rewards including bonuses, discount vouchers, and trial funds. Bonuses. They can be used as margin for futures trading. Bonuses cannot be withdrawn, but any profits made with their help can be withdrawn from the account. Discount vouchers. They provide discounts on commission fees. The discount is applied after the transaction is completed, helping to reduce trading costs. Trial funds. They can be used as margin when opening positions, as well as to cover commission fees and losses. BingX will introduce Launchpads and Launchpools for spot trading, encouraging customer participation in token sales and providing access to high-quality verified projects. Additionally, the platform will offer lending services, allowing tokens to be used as collateral for loans at competitive rates. BingX plans to expand its services to include dual currency notes, asset accumulation distribution tools, and snowball products to diversify investment instruments. To resolve any issues or questions, BingX users can use several main communication methods. These include online chat support, educational materials, help center with answers to frequently asked questions. BingX offers a diverse learning center suitable for both beginners and experienced users. The BingX Academy is a comprehensive educational platform where you can learn the basics of cryptocurrencies, key terms, and trading strategies. The Help Center contains an extensive library of articles, guides, and step-by-step instructions to help you understand the platform's functionality and resolve any questions. To stay up to date with the latest news, events, promotions, and platform updates, subscribe to our Telegram channel. There you will find regular live streams with experienced traders, an active trading chat where you can discuss strategies and ask questions, a vast educational base for both beginners and pros, as well as the most relevant news from the crypto world. Don't miss the opportunity to learn, connect, and earn together with the BingX community. That's all, friends! Today, we've covered how to register, top up your account, and use the key features of BingX Exchange. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you're interested in BingX, everything you need is already waiting for you in the description. Don't forget to enter the promo code to get exclusive bonuses and start with an edge. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or want to see more reviews like this, write in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so you don't miss new videos. See you soon.